How to add a WikiTree profile's URL to a G2G post. On the WikiTree profile, click URL. It will automatically copy for you. Then head over to G2G. In this case, I want to add the URL to a person's name in a G2G post. I'm going to cover up his name with my mouse, and then I'm going to click on the little chain link icon. That will bring a pop-up. I'm going to right mouse click to paste my URL. Click OK, and you'll notice that now a URL appears, and I'm going to save the G2G post. And it's that simple, that easy. I think a lot of people get confused on the terminology of link and URL. When your internal WikiTree pages, space pages, profiles, you use link. But when it's external, you use URL. And G2G is an external web page. See you next time.